Thank you.
In 1 minute. In 1 minute.
Yes.
A fellow professor has just won the Anambra State election,
Yes.
your own state.
Sure.
Now, in 1 minute, what will be your message to Professor Soludo as an agenda for him come 2022?
Odenigbo, chekwa Anambra ọfụma. Gosi ndị Anambra na anyị adịghị efe ego n'obodo Zik, obodo Ekwueme, obodo Ojukwu. Welu amamife chi Anambra. That's my message.
Prof, ọ dịgo ka ọ ya adị ịmakwa na mụ ọbụkwa na onye ichie tụnwa bụ ife ka ego
Yes, ife ka ego
ewee chie m ịma na kama atọkwa gị n'echichi echiri m 2016 wee chie gị nke gị last year.
Mana echichi a nchiri a sịkwa ka echie m ya 10 years ago.
Ewo
Ajụ m ajụ. Anọ m na Central Bank.
Ọ bụrụ na i chiri mgbe bụ ike atọ m n'echichi mana ya tọzie m gị n'echichi.
Mana asị m ya dị na achọgodo at that time. So mana kịta condition make crayfish bend.
Ife ka ego Nnewi. In fact, ife ka ego. Ọ dị izi ịnọte n'Oxford ebe. Prof, you have spoken English, you have spoken Igbo.
Yes.
But waiting can happen for the streets now. People where know the two.
Exactly.
Some people they talk say Prof no sabi how to blow grammar.
That one no be true now.
Say you know the yarn.
Me and the yarn well.
True.
And the yarn.
You dey scatter yarn.
And the scatter. And the scatter.
You see, everybody don't they laugh inside. They say Prof the yarn.
Yeah, the yarn seriously. 2022, they go see yarn now.
Abi?
Yarn they come.
Yarn they come.
Serious. Seriously.
So serious. Prof they tell us say make we hold body. Say 2020.
Exactly. We go shake body well. Yes.
But no be body way Prof they talk no be shaking of rice and beans.
No. That one. Now the thing where they kill us now.
Abi?
Now the thing where don't kill us. You know, people don't steal your money. They steal your money, then they come, they distribute rice and beans. Then you go vote for them. They come back, steal again. The one where they don't spend to distribute rice and